die. Yay! Okay, so we got 20 pounds and we're gonna buy science! Yay! We got it! Today, do you know we buy this science experiment at Smith Tie Superstar Edric, isn't that right? Yeah! So we're going to open it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Oh yeah, I found the pot. Yeah! Wow! What? So sorry. Oh, goggles. There's the goggles. What looks like? Hey guys, this one Smith Tie Superstar. Yes, see what is inside. We got some. We got some of these. We got a tube and a balloon and the gloves. I'm gonna put my gloves on. And we also got some. We also got some food coloring, some candle. Whatever is this? Injection. Whatever is this? And tweezers. Lid for the test tube. And whatever is this? Wait. And a rope inside a jar. Yes, see what is inside. We got some of these. We got a tube and a balloon and the gloves. I'm gonna put my gloves on. And we also got some food coloring, some candle. Whatever is this? Injection. Whatever is this? And tweezers. Lid for the test tube. And whatever is this? Wait. And a rope inside a jar. Okay, so we're doing our first exercise, but we need thin paper. Do an experiment. This is called climbing water. So we need to add some few drops of water. It doesn't work. I do like this Edric. Mine doesn't work. Edric, this is how we do it. Edric, you do this, then you press. Then you put it in. Only a little bit will come. And you press it a lot of times. We have to press it, then put it like this. Then you release it. Put the water in here. Now we're gonna do the food coloring. Coloring? No more. Wait. There. Press hard. Okay, done, Edric. Done. Put the cut paper in here.
Good.
Now what you want to do? Wait. It doesn't. So I have to wait for a few minutes, and now then see the magic. Do you know that the water comes up from the paper? Whoa! You take it out? I don't think so.
The water climbs up the paper because of capillary action. Water molecules are attracted to each other and to the fibers in the paper towel, and this attraction allows them to defy gravity.
Yeah? Then what do we do, Daddy? Can you do the last? Now we're gonna do the different signs than the other one. Your turn, Jordan. So we're going to do a different sciencey now. So like we need to put water and iron. Amen. Amen. And also funny. So put the little bit in there. My turn, Jordan. Okay, that's better. My turn. No, I have to put iron in it now. I have to. Wait. We need to do this one first now. My turn. Now the water, we're going to add some iron. My turn, Jordan. Okay, move. Oh yeah, Daddy, look at it. Daddy, look. Now we're gonna close it. Now we shake. Then we're going to shake it. So can I shake it? Yes, shake it. Oh. Now stop. Wow. Daddy. Wait for some minutes. Alright. The iron is not mixing together.
Oil is a non-polar chemical, so it doesn't mix well with polar water. When oil and water are shaken, the oil can form droplets that will slowly join back together and float to the top of the water when the shaking stops.